Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history in YouTube. So let's get started. First, open up YouTube. Click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then click the settings icon on the top right corner. And click Manage All History. Now scroll down and you should be able to see your watch and search history. To delete them manually, you can press the X button. Then tap Delete. After that, there should be a pop-up saying that the search has been deleted. Just click on Got It. Now to delete multiple searches at once, click Delete and click one of the following options. After that, it should automatically delete multiple searches and videos from your history. And that's pretty much it. Please consider dropping a like and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you.